ChatGPT just got its most powerful upgrade ever. It can now act, not just answer. From OpenAI's new MCP Tools to ByteDance's Seedream 4.0 and Adobe's enterprise AI agents, the AI world just changed forever. The biggest shift since ChatGPT's launch. We've reached a new era where AI doesn't just talk about what could be done, it actually does it for you. OpenAI's latest update introduces MCP Tools support, a major milestone that transforms ChatGPT from a conversational model into a real-time control center for your entire workflow. This means ChatGPT can now use Modular Capability Protocols, MCP, to connect directly to your apps, tools, databases, and even custom APIs, and perform live actions. Not just suggest or explain, but actually execute them. Let's break down exactly what this means, and how it's already changing everything from automation to app development. OpenAI's MCP tool support, ChatGPT becomes a workflow control center. The Modular Capability Protocol, MCP, is OpenAI's bridge between ChatGPT and the real world. Before this, ChatGPT was limited. It could tell you how to do something, but not actually do it. Now, it can interact with your environment, plug directly into your systems, and execute tasks through connected tools. Here's what this practically enables. You can connect ChatGPT to internal company tools, databases, APIs, and dashboards. It can perform authenticated actions, such as sending emails, pulling CRM data, generating reports, or running analytics. Developers can write MCP adapters for any system, meaning ChatGPT can talk to anything that has an API. Imagine saying, create a new client in Salesforce, draft a welcome email, and schedule a follow-up. ChatGPT will just do it. In short, this update turns ChatGPT into your AI project manager, analyst, and assistant, all in one. This is the exact point where AI as a tool becomes AI as an operator. The bigger picture, from chatbots to agents. The introduction of MCP marks a massive leap towards agentic AI, where models are not just reactive, but proactive. ChatGPT can now observe, decide, and act, building full workflows instead of single responses. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's OpenAI saying, you don't need to build hundreds of micro tools, you just need ChatGPT and the right connectors. The ripple effects here are enormous. Productivity software, API management, and even SaaS ecosystems are all about to get rewritten. ByteDance's Seedream 4.0, the speed demon of AI image generation. While OpenAI dominates automation, ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, is charging hard into creative AI. Their newest release, Seedream 4.0, is going directly after Google's Nano Banana, the lightweight diffusion model that wowed everyone with its mobile-ready image generation. But ByteDance has flipped the game. Seedream 4.0 is reportedly faster, cheaper, and visually sharper, optimized for both creators and product developers. Here's what's making headlines. It can generate 2K to 4K quality visuals in under 2 seconds on standard GPUs. It supports real-time prompt refinement, meaning you can literally watch the image evolve as you type. It's fully integrated into TikTok's Creative Suite, allowing direct asset generation for ads, thumbnails, and videos. And its cost per generation is under half that of Google's Nano Banana. The goal? To make AI image generation as accessible and instantaneous as short-form content itself. Imagine an influencer editing a TikTok ad, and AI instantly creates matching visuals, background environments, or props in real time. That's what Seedream 4.0 is bringing to the table. Deep Agent, building full apps in minutes. Now let's talk about Deep Agent, the startup shaking up how apps are made. Their new system can build fully functional apps with integrated Stripe payments in under 30 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Half an hour for a production-ready, revenue-generating web app. Here's how it works. Deep Agent connects to your requirements via chat. I want a travel booking app with Stripe checkout and admin dashboard. The AI breaks down the request into back-end, front-end, and API layers. It generates and deploys the entire app, along with database setup, payment integration, and hosting instructions. This is not a prototype generator. It's a full-stack development engine. What used to take a startup 3 months now happens during your lunch break. And with OpenAI's new MCP-compatible ecosystem, these tools could eventually chain together. ChatGPT orchestrating, Deep Agent building, Stripe managing transactions, all autonomously. That's when AI stops being a co-pilot and becomes the entire team. Adobe's AI agents in Experience Cloud, enterprise power, real action. Adobe just dropped a bombshell of its own. They've embedded AI agents across the entire Adobe Experience Cloud, a platform used by thousands of global enterprises for marketing, analytics, and customer management. Here's what's new. These agents can generate personalized campaigns, design assets, and even deploy them automatically across multiple channels. They learn from company data, so your marketing strategy becomes adaptive and self-optimizing. For large organizations, this means marketing teams could shrink from dozens to just a few managers overseeing automated pipelines. Adobe isn't just adding AI for flair. It's rewriting the backbone of enterprise operations. They're setting a new standard, AI that executes creative strategy, not just suggests it. Claude takes over Office files, the end of manual editing. Anthropic's Claude just got a stunning upgrade too. It can now create and edit Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files directly from natural language commands. Say things like, summarize this 20-page PDF and extract financial data. Turn this Excel sheet into a quarterly performance presentation. Reformat this Word document into a client proposal. Claude will instantly execute. You don't even have to open the apps. For freelancers, analysts, and corporate professionals, this is massive. No more switching tabs, formatting slides, or manually updating charts. Claude automates the entire documentation flow. Combined with Adobe's automation stack and OpenAI's MCP tools, we're seeing the convergence of creation, control, and execution, all through natural language. The AI ecosystem is converging. When you put all this together, OpenAI's MCP, ByteDance's Seedream, Deep Agent's App Builder, Adobe's Enterprise AI, and Claude's file automation, you realize something big. AI is no longer fragmented. It's starting to fuse into one ecosystem that understands data, design, and decision-making holistically. Every player is racing to own a piece of the new digital stack. OpenAI wants the workflow layer. ByteDance wants the creative layer. Adobe wants the enterprise layer. Anthropic wants the productivity layer. Deep Agent wants the build layer. And together, they're shaping an AI economy where ideas instantly become products. Why it matters for creators, freelancers, and businesses. So what does this mean for you? For creators, it's a golden era. You'll soon generate entire campaigns, visuals, and video assets using a single prompt. For freelancers, it's about efficiency. Your value shifts from doing to directing. Knowing how to orchestrate AI tools will be your most important skill. For enterprises, this is the start of true digital automation. The cost and time barriers between an idea and execution are collapsing. Departments that once needed weeks of planning will operate in real time. This is the industrial revolution of digital labor. The future, AI that runs the world. We're now entering a phase where AI isn't just enhancing workflows, it's owning them. Where humans define intent and AI handles the execution chain. Imagine a single command, launch a new product campaign next week, and your AI system designs the visuals, writes the copy, books the ad slots, tracks performance, and adjusts strategy live. That's not tomorrow, that's being built, right now. The MCP upgrade is to ChatGPT, what the App Store was to the iPhone, a foundation for an ecosystem of tools, capabilities, and autonomy. ByteDance is redefining AI creativity. DeepAgent is reinventing software development. Adobe is reprogramming enterprise workflows. And Claude is quietly becoming your all-in-one document engine. AI is no longer something you use. It's becoming something that runs across industries, platforms, and creative boundaries. The next decade won't be about which AI you talk to, but which one can build, execute, and evolve alongside you. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Which of these AI tools do you think will define the future? Until next time, stay curious, stay future-ready.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.